Hello, my dear sewing friends, and welcome back to our cozy creative corner. Today I have prepared a very special, beginner-friendly sewing tutorial for you. We are going to create absolute magic using simple leftover fabric scraps. These handmade patchwork items carry so much soul, warmth, and unique charm that factory-made things just can't match. Plus, they are incredibly hot-selling items. I actually sew these in big, bulk batches because they sell out so fast. Before we start, a quick tip. If you are a beginner, remember you can easily slow down this video by clicking the gear icon in your YouTube settings. Choose 0.75x or 0.5x speed, so you don't miss a single stitch. Also, all the professional sewing tools and materials I use today are linked right down in the video description. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and let's start sewing. Right here at 0:15, we are starting with a gorgeous rectangular mini shoulder bag. Look at how beautifully these fabric scraps come together when we use accurate seam allowances and proper pressing. This bag is double-sided, featuring elegant flaps and a neat button closure. It has 3 separate compartments, making it absolutely perfect and so convenient for carrying your mobile phone, glasses, and other daily essentials. Sewing this is pure relaxation and a wonderful way to practice your top stitching. Now, at 8:12, we are moving on to our second project, a stylish and protective sleeve for your laptop or tablet. I am going to show you a brilliant, hassle-free trick to make this incredibly fast and easy. But just a quick pause in the middle of our process. Let me remind you again that this is a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If my hands move too fast, simply slow down the video speed in your YouTube settings. I also highly encourage you to check out my special playlist with more top sewing tutorials. The link is waiting for you in the description. And remember, just like the mini bag, these laptop sleeves are huge bestsellers. I make them in bulk. You can find the links to every single tool, ruler, and material I'm using right now in the description box below. Just look at how incredibly cute and cozy these finished pieces turned out, transforming fabric scraps into such wonderful, useful accessories fills the home with a special handmade warmth. I hope this video brought you joy and inspiration today. Once again, all the links to the tools and fabrics are in the description, and remember to use that video slowing feature if you want to rewatch any tricky seams. If you loved this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a warm comment below, and subscribe for more sewing magic. I wish you a wonderful, peaceful day and happy sewing. See you next time.